Hi guys, Vijay here. Today I have another product to review, which is if you have car, maybe you will need it. It's a VEVOR 5-ton car jack. So I like to work on my car to fix things if I can. So what I have as a jack, it's a regular jack, and you have to lift it by hand and it's a limited height, and I wanted to get some professional, and this is not professional, I don't know how to call it, but it's an electric car jack, and I wanted to give it a try. Let's see. So this is the product. Let's open it. So it comes with back carrier. It has a warning triangle sign here. It's like that. Okay. So this is the car jack, electric car jack, kind of medium weight. You know, this handles is a plastic, looks like little chip. I don't know how long gonna last. We will see. So it has light on it. It has a, you can inflate the tires. There's a pump. So let's see. Either you can connect this to lighter or to the car battery. It has long cable, which is, I believe this is the you connect this to battery, and this is a lighter plug-in. It has a impact wrench, which is you can use to unscrew screw things, left, right. So we will see. It comes with two. I always forgot the name of that. It's a 17 millimeters and 23 millimeters. Let's put this here. Also, it has knife and to break the glass, I guess. I'm not sure do I need. It has gloves. Nice. So this is the cable we are going to use. So when you connect this to battery, this car lighter goes here. You can take power from there. But I will try my car lighter. Let's see. So you can lift up to 17.7 inches, it says. So here's the, or here's the to inflate the car hose and the tools, in case you need it. Where was this? And also there's two fuses you can use in case you need. Okay, I never able to put things back. I hope it's like that. Okay, close that. Got this. Let's connect that. Okay, connected. Is there anything I should know? Or maybe highlighter is not on. It is on. So there's the power. Ah, there's a safety valve. I don't know what is this. So this works. So you can adjust this height. Let's see. That's it. Doesn't come too much. Okay. Use this as a pad. Huh. I can't see any button here. Oh, okay. Sorry. There is a button to use that. Like that. Let me see. Side. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. So as you can see, it is fast, easy. You don't have to deal with the turning, spinning, or doing something, just press the button and lift it up, and still it goes up. Okay, let me show closely. As you can see, this is very high enough, you know, to work if you need some things to do. You know, it's pretty good. So, by the way, for your information, for your safety, always use, when you are going to work, always use stand jack to protect yourself, because anything can happen. It can fall, you know, it can break. Always use some protection for your safety. So, okay, we did this. You can change it, or you can work under the car, or you do something, whatever you want. So let's just go down. I like that. I'm not sure how long can I last this item, but in that case, I will do some update later, because soon I need to work on my car to change and adjust things. Yeah, you don't have to press it. I don't know why I was pressing. So just press it, leave it. So we are going to try this. As you can see, oops, that's done. So here's one thing. It would be nice if there was, when the piston went down all the way, it would be nice if stopped automatically. It doesn't stop. Just keep working. I'm not sure it does anything, it harms, but it's okay. So for now, that works nice. Let's see the light. The light, it's a daylight. No, I can't see anything. Also, here's the light. This is nice. When you work under the car, you can see things if it's enough bright. So we saw that it's for air, but here's the thing. The air is not adjustable. Like, you're gonna set 34 psi, and there's nothing you can adjust. You're gonna just figure it out from the sign here. So that's good. It's okay. I have another air pump. So let's see this. Interesting. I'm not going to try now, but that's weird. I hold this, the engine start still spinning, How can I try this? I don't have anything to try because these nuts are special key I have to use. Let me see if I can. It's definitely not this. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Okay. That worked. That's weird. That's very weird. Impact wrench. I don't know why it's like that. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna tie it up by myself. So kinda it works. It's better than doing by hand. You can lose it and you can take it out with this machine. So far it's very handy, useful. We will see how long can I last. So if you have any question or comment, just leave it. If you like the video, don't forget to thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.